Hello CA students, welcome back to the channel. This is an informative video for CA students who have applied for certified copies of November 22 papers from RTI. Guys, after filing in RTI the request for certified copies, we can also check its status, whether icai received the request from RTI authorities, and also we can check the more updates like this. So for this we have to type RTI status in the Google search bar and then select view status form. There we are required to enter the registration number and also the mail ID and also the security code to check the status. Here registration number means not icai student registration number, guys. It is the registration number we receive to our mail ID when we file the RTI request. So we can check like online request filed successfully mail. In that mail we will find the registration number. So copy and paste all those details and then tap on the submit button. Then the online RTI status form window will be opened. There you can check the status like RTI request received, and for those CA students who have received the certified copies, it will show the message like request disposed of, and also the reply: dear student, required answer books have been sent to your registered email ID, and also intimation have been sent to your SMS on the registered mobile. Please check your mailbox. So like this you can check the status, guys. Also there are more options in the RTA website like submit first appeal and also view history, so you can utilize all those options. Usually when we file the RTA request for certified copies, we will receive within 30 days, guys, so don't worry within 30 days. Even if you haven't received after 30 days, then you can submit the first appeal.